Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand the vent feature in sheet metal. This feature is actually used in the electrical items for ventilation purpose. Let's start. File, new, part and this. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white and the unit system is this one millimeter gram second. Okay. Now I am selecting top plane. Sketch. We will create a simple model for this thing. We will understand the vent feature, base flange, edge flange. Okay. Especially we will focus on the vent feature. I am taking center rectangle, this one. I am taking arbitrary dimension, this one, 120 mm, and this one also 120 mm. This one. Sheet metal, go with the base flange. I am taking the thickness of the sheet 1.6 mm. Okay. Dimension thickness you will see that is going below. I am taking up this one. You can change the direction of the thickness from here. K factor 0.5, relief will later on provide in the edge flange. Okay, this is the phrase. This is the base flange. Now edge flange, this one, edge flange. You can reverse the direction from here. This one, this one. You can reverse the direction from here. Okay. This use default radius. You will see here is the radius. This 1.6 is the inside band radius. I will show you. And this is the gap between the flange 1.5. You can increase as per requirement. Angle 90 degree. This you can at different angle edge flange you can provide. You can change the angle also here. Blind. I am taking the height only 25 mm. Okay. This is the outer visual shaft. Outer visual shaft, inner visual shaft, and the inner tangent band. Okay. If you take this one front view, I am taking this one front view. This is the outer visual shaft, means intersection of the outer edges, and from this center point. This center point height is this one. This is the flange height from here, this point to end of the flange, and this is the flange position. From material inside, if you see, this is the material outside, this is the material band outside. In this way, you can change the derivation from here. Okay. Height I am taking 25 mm, angle 90 degree, gap is 0.5, and another you can take this one and this one. This is the flat. You will see if the top plane, you will see this is the gap. This is the gap of 0.5. How you can measure, evaluate, you can measure from here. Measure, this is the band radius I provided 1.6 mm. This one. You will see this radius is 1.6 mm. Okay. This is the inside band radius. And gap you can measure from here. Measure this one, this point, and this point. This is the gap of 0.5 mm between the flanges. Okay. This way, in this way, you can measure the gap and inside band radius. Okay. In sheet metal, the band radius which you mentioned, that is the inside band radius. Okay. That is equal to the sheet thickness and more than the sheet thickness. Okay. Here I am providing the edit appearance, clear appearance. I am giving the color this one. Okay, this one. Firstly, we will see the vent feature. Vent feature is provided electrical items for the for ventilation purpose. Okay, I am selecting this face, this place, sketch. I am dimensioning for the vent. This one center point. I am taking this die as a 12 mm. Okay. Outside, offset, I am taking the offset of 8 mm. again offset 8 mm, this one, again offset this one more offset I am taking this one. In this way I have taken 5 circle, 1 2 3 4 5 at a distance of 8 mm, and this is the 12 mm dia of the original circle. Okay, now I am draw the line. Okay, and circular pattern, this one I am drawing 3 line, this one, and out of the sketch and out of the sketch. In the sheet metal you find there is a vent feature. This you can also find, locate, insert, fastening feature and vent. From here you can also go. Okay, I am selecting vent. Face you have to select this one. Outer boundary you have to select. Okay, face automatically selected. Okay, radius I will later on provide. I am not giving any draft angle here. Ribs is this one, ribs, this one, ribs width is the, I am taking only the 4 mm, this one. And spurs, what is spurs? Spurs is this one, and this one spurs. One circle is left. Okay, one circle is the last one, fill boundary. I am taking, selecting this one. This is the fill boundary. In this way you can provide the vent feature. This vent feature is provided in the electrical power boxes item or electrical enclosure for the ventilation purpose. Okay, I am hitting the right button, this one. Now this is the feature I am providing. Now edge flange, I am editing edge flange, this one. This is how you can, suppose I edit first edge flange, this one. This window comes, I am this one. Command dimension from this I am taking 40 mm. Okay, if everything is okay, you can finish it. Otherwise, I am going back. This one, 25 mm is the length, 90 degree, 0.5 is the gap of the flanges, and use default radius is this one, and material inside. Okay, and relief you can provide from here. This one, relief I am taking rectangle, ratio is 0.5. 0.5 ratio means 0.5 into sheet thickness. 0.5 into sheet thickness, that is 1.6. It means half of the sheet. That is the relief. I will show you how you can measure it. 0.5 into 1.6. That will become 0.8 mm. Okay, this one. If I hitting this one, you will see. This is the edge flange edited. You will see. I will measure you. Evaluate, measure. This one. This is the width. If I measure this one, this will come 0.880. 0.80, this one. Okay, and also where the band ends, this radius, this thing, this is also 0.8. Okay, this one. In same way, another flanges you can edit it. This one. Now second flange. This one, edit flange. Smart dimension. (40 mm). This is also 40 mm. If everything okay, you can finish it. Otherwise, I am taking back. Same way, same length, 25 mm, outer virtual shaft, metal inside, and relief is 0.5. 0.5 relief means 0.5 into sheet thickness. That will become you get 0.8 mm only. Auto relief. Okay. I am hitting the right button. This one. Same way. You will see the auto relief is this one. Suppose, and you, in the same way, I am editing all the edge flanges. I am this one, and now I am editing this one. Edit edge flange, this one. Smart dimension, 40 mm. This way. Everything okay, you can finish it. Otherwise, you go back. You can see the parameter. Default radius, inside radius 0.6, gap is 0.5, outer virtual shaft height is this one, and rectangular relief 0.5. Same relief I am providing. This one, hitting OK. I am repeating all the. I am editing all the flanges one by one, so that you could understand how you can edit the edges flange separately. Okay, again I edit flange, this one. Now last one is the fourth one, this one. The selected edit flange, same way. This one. Everything okay, you can finish it, otherwise you can back it. Smart dimension from this one, 40. Now back, you can see all same parameters and hit the right button. And this way I have edited all the flanges. Okay. Now break corner. Sheet metal, there is a command of the break corner. Break corner, you can provide chamfer or radius. Suppose you want to provide the fillet 5 mm. You select the face only. Select this face, this face, this face, this face. You can select the face, or you can edge also select this way and hitting the right button. This is the, and flatten view, you can flatten this one. This one, flatten view. You can save in 2D file, or you can cut the material on the CNC machine. For this, you have to make the 2D file in DXF format. How you can make it? Right click, export to DXF. This one, you give the name of the part one, and name the file, save as DXF file. This file is applicable all on the CNC machine for AutoCAD purpose. Okay, save it, and this window comes. Select the sheet metal, different parameter, hidden edges, band lines, sketches you want, bounding box. There is no forming tool. Okay, and hit the right button. This 2D file comes here. This as per this drawing, you can cut the material on the CNC machine. Okay, this programming can be done on that CNC computerized machine. This file is applicable on all the computerized machines. Okay, save it. This one. In this way, you can save the file. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share, and please subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.